This is Dayu from Merita, teaching you how to format Word documents the way that we want you to do it. So just a quick overview, there are 9 main topics that we really need to cover. These will be covered over in the next 4 to 5 minutes. I'll breeze through each one quickly using our U-Mate proposal as a practice kind of document. So if we run quickly through, font must be size 13, a border must be included, a header as well must be a header must be included as well, so a header over here, a footer containing contact information, so that's down here. Title page font must be size 24 Times New Roman, yep. The title page logos must be centered, these two are in the middle. Headings and subheadings, so you can see down here, letter to editor, as well as subheadings down here. The contents page also must be present on the second page, as you can see in this example. Finally, I'll also show you how to break sections of the Word document, which really means, notice how there's a header here and a footer here, but the title page doesn't have it. So moving quickly on, this guide is really designed for you to stop and start, as it won't be you won't be able to keep up if you just play it in real time. So feel free to do that. Let's move on to the first step. So the first step is to change all our font to size 13, and I'm going to show you using an unedited version of our U-Mate proposal document. So first of all, so we can so all this here, we can convert that to size 13, and we're going to change it to Times New Roman. So that's step 1 done. So step 2 is to add a border. Go to page layout, click page borders, add to the box, press OK. Step 2. So step 3, insert a header with logos. So our header, we're going to use our logo. We're going to paste it. We double clicked in the header section before, and we just shrink that down to size. So step 4 is to add a footer, and what we're going to do is we're going to get this information, and the way to do it, just simply double click like we did for the header, paste, and then paste into the footer, and it should come up in all respective pages. Step 5 is to change the title page font to size 24, but it also must be centered. Click the center button there, and images must be centered, which is step 6. So step 7 is to create headings and subheadings. This is quite important in order to create the contents page afterwards. So we click here. Notice that so if it's normally it may look like this. We must change it to heading 1. This is quite important. So once again, headings are in, you change it to heading 1, and these later headings, they're underneath this first one. So we select heading 2 by clicking here, and we go to heading 2, and we continue doing that for all titles in the document. So finally, is to add the contents page itself. Easiest way to do this is to put it on page 2. So on the title page, we press Ctrl Enter to give us a blank page where we can enter the contents page. We click References, Table of Contents here in the left hand corner, and we click that, and a nice contents page is brought up for you. So that's the end of the main part of the tutorial. So the second part is breaking the sections of the Word document, which I explained before. We're going to get rid of this header and this footer on the title page to make it look more professional. Best way to do this, we simply click on the first page or the title page. We go to Page Layout, Breaks, and then we add in a section break on the next page. So now if we double click onto the second page, we notice that it says Header Section 2 here. We're going to unlink it on that one, and we're also going to double click the footer, and it says Link to Previous. We're going to unlink it as well. Now once we go back to the first page, we can delete our footer, we can delete our header, and this will not affect the subsequent pages. So that's all from me, Dayu, signing out.